Hey guys, this is Eric from RC Monster Garage, Motostyle Hobby Shop in Granada Hills. What we got here today is the Redcat Racing R5 1/5 scale RC Monster truck. Yes, this one is running on a 8S brushless electric 8S RC Monster truck. It's humongous. It's so big that I'm afraid that it's going to break my counter. Just for comparison, this is a 1/12 scale, this is a 1/10 scale, this is the 1/5 scale. This is how big it is. Let's open it up real quick just so you see what we got over there. This is just a tease video. For the complete video, please go to my channel at RC Monster Garage on YouTube, and you can see the entire unboxing review of this vehicle. Again, this is the new Redcat Racing Rampage R5. You can see two big battery bay. This vehicle is not include the batteries. You're gonna have a set of two 3S or two 4S battery that you're gonna have to put it, and it's not included. But what you do get is 1050 brushless electric motor 8S, 160 amp ESC, 30 kilogram steering servo, aluminum kind of the entire frame, shocks, the bottom support, everything made out of aluminum. This plastic here, this is just a dust guard and mud guard. This is your frame, all made out of aluminum. If you look on the bottom of it, this is just another skid plate, but everything is aluminum. Very big, very massive front and rear skid plates. Big wheels, humongous wheels with a big offset. Very cool vehicle. And now this vehicle is available in our shop. They are only $800 plus tax. RC Monster Garage, Motostyle Hobby Shop, 17540 Chatsworth Street, Granada Hills, California, zip code 91344. See you on my next video. Like and subscribe.